Hi guys, Francis here. As you can see, I'm already in my Clickbank account and I would like to share something special with you. Over 60 days, I made 6K with just one product and one funnel. So I was wondering if I was to open a Facebook group designed specially to help you achieve this kind of results or even greater. Will you be interested? If yes, just like and share this video and comment yes. I will create it and PM you the link. The more important thing here is that it will be completely free to join and you will get access to all steps I took to create this stream of income. Sound good? Okay, no catch here. Just like, share and comment yes. Have a good day. Stay blessed. Bye bye.